Today is indeed a great day and we must rejoice in it. From all walks of life, sons and daughters of Larteh have gathered here today to celebrate the great Odwira Festival and to drive home development and admire the beauty that comes with this celebration. I wish to express my profound gratitude to Nanano and organizers for inviting us as a party and me especially as the regional minister of the Eastern region to celebrate with you. I bring you warm greetings from our President, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and the good people of the Eastern region. Nanano here present. As you all know, festivals like the Odwira Festival reminds us of where we come from and also the value that shape us as a people. They are occasions for reflections, thanksgiving and renewal of our unity. Odwira holds an immense cultural, historic and spiritual significance not only to us here as people of Akuapem North traditional area, but for the entire Eastern region and Ghana as a whole. In a world that is constantly changing, where technology, urbanization and globalization reshape our life daily, many communities struggle to hold on to the identity which we are pursuing today. Yet, you stand tall as a model that balances. This is where a place where tradition meets innovation, where culture flows creativity, and where every citizen is empowered to contribute to share that prosperity that is in our culture. Ladies and gentlemen, education remains the most powerful tool to the transformation of our socio-economic development of our country. It is therefore important that we invest into the education of the youth of our area. The NDC government and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama will continue to invest in educational sector, both formal and informal, and with the aims of ensuring that every Ghanaian child, regardless of their background, has access to quality education. Nanano here present, ladies and gentlemen, as I bring this address to an end, I wish to appeal to Nanano to support the launch of the National Sanitation Day by urging everyone to come out in the numbers in the first Saturday of every month to clean our communities. And we are sure you are going to cooperate with the municipal chief executives and the leaders of the community. Make sure everyone comes out when it is that time. It is time to awaken the communal spirit of which binds us together as a people. And we can be proud of all this. On this note, I wish you a very joyful celebration. May God bless the people of Larteh. May God bless our beautiful region. May God bless Nanano, Nanahimano, Yami, and Shamu. Afishapo, African Community.
Yeah. Nana Shaman more. You betting out to Nana Larteh Kubease. Say, and then Honorable Rita Akosua Adjei Eastern Regional Minister, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, then to the Sombra, no far than you know, Meta and Mediation, no more official. Official Mono, what's it? Ninsu Adakama Edu Beer Adakama Nang Snap Authentic Pong Any Doko so Adakame B. Asia Chan himself now one for some or any the program every Burma did so Asia Chan in somewhere. Now, the year Larteh man and the Kubease man may you know of a year. The Mama Afrishapa. Sabria, Udra, Kapimen, including Afa, already Afash, Akobe, the son, and then you to no ɛwɔ abɔnsi regional minister sɛ esi akyame nsɛm na ɔma ɔhene te sɛ aka yɛbɛpɛ sɛ yɛne mo bɛtena ha ama ɔhene apagya wo na kita dwumadi no ɛdɔs nti yɛbɛpɛ sɛ yɛbɛsrɛ na mpɛyima yɛ nantew a anato akɔhwɛ ɛhɔ so dwumadi no ɛnam ase